Do you spend too much time in the kitchen and still feel your cooking could be easier? Today, I'm going to talk about a kitchen gadget that combines multiple cooking methods into one single appliance. This is a multifunction kitchen cooker designed for people who want to save time and reduce the number of appliances in their kitchen. Instead of using separate tools, this single device can handle a variety of cooking tasks. I've added the Amazon link in the description below. One of the biggest advantages of this type of cooker is its versatility. It allows you to pressure cook meals, which significantly reduces cooking time for foods like lentils, beans, and meat. There's also a slow cooking option, ideal for recipes that need gentle heat and longer cooking. The sort mode lets you brown ingredients before cooking, just like using a pan. A steaming function helps prepare healthier meals, while dedicated modes for rice and yogurt add even more convenience. This appliance is ideal for busy professionals, small to medium-sized families, or anyone who wants to simplify daily cooking without compromising on results. There are several clear benefits to using a multifunction cooker. First, it saves a lot of time. Second, it reduces the need for multiple kitchen appliances. And third, the controlled cooking process helps deliver more consistent results. That said, no product is perfect. If you're new to multifunction cookers, it may take a little time to get familiar with the different modes. Also, depending on the capacity, larger families may need to cook in multiple batches. In everyday use, this type of cooker can easily handle meals like rice dishes, curries, steamed vegetables, soups, and even homemade yogurt, all without constant supervision. If you're interested, check the link in the description if you're looking for a kitchen gadget that makes cooking faster, easier, and more organized. This type of appliance is definitely worth considering, too. However, if you only need a single-purpose device, this might be more than you actually need. You can find the product link in the description below. Check the latest price, available options, and customer reviews before making a decision.